I would gladly like to welcome you to our company, Spiess, based in Ditzingen near Stuttgart.
Here, everything we do is all about the heart of the vehicle, the engine.
Come in, we've got something to show you.
The foundation stone of Spiess's company history was laid, in fact, in 1963. The company was then officially founded in 1972. With our three brands, Spiess Racing, Spiess Classic, and Spiess CNC, we now operate both in racing sport and in classic cars.
We have a global presence and build engines for mass sport, Formula Sport, historic racing sport, and also GT sport.
Thanks to our construction department and in-house production, we cover a wide range of activities in the field of the development and production of components.
Everything comes together here in engine construction. Each technician assembles an engine and has special responsibility for that engine, just according to the motto, one man, one engine. Thanks to our equipment, which ranges from CRD and CAM workstations to automated CNC processing centers through to cutting-edge testing stations, we develop and manufacture high-tech products. Spiess Engine Construction stands for the highest precision, the most thorough organization, and the quickest routes, ensuring efficient working methods.
The Spiess team consists of around 40 members. We have modern and spacious production areas under one roof at our disposal. We've been manufacturing, servicing, and maintaining high-performance engines of a wide variety of manufacturers and construction types since the 1970s. It doesn't matter whether we're working on a racing engine, breathing that crucial horsepower into it, or on the engine of a historic vehicle that we're bringing back to life by reconstructing and reproducing the original components.
We've given you a small insight into our domain.
Just come to visit us anytime and make your own impression.
Many thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
RAVENOL, the lifeblood of your car.